Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in over a week, I am posting a teardown video. Today, we are on the International Space Station with three random people who won the lottery and got shipped up to space. Cheap Chrysler! Stop it! You're destroying everything! No, I am not giving you a makeup room. Get out of here. Oh! Wait. Hang on a second. I need to go check something. If the space station has a hole in it, shouldn't it implode? Oh god. Where am I? Who am I? What am I? Not another bro. Bro, NASA has to stop screwing these up. The I.S.S. didn't have, bro. I'm suing once I get back down to Earth. That does not look like Earth. Why do I make a hissing sound when I move? Probably just a hole in my spacesuit or something. Well, anyway, I'm here on the I.S.S. with three people who won lottery tickets to go on the I.S.S. What just happened? What's going on? She blew a hole in the space vessel. And that only means one thing. I gotta get back inside. Yeah, I have to get back inside before it explodes. Second time's the charm, tee hee hee. Are the passengers? They have to be okay or I'm gonna get sued. Darn liability agreements. If there's no evidence of their remains, then I'm fine. Oh no, never mind. Okay, so I'm back on the space station with three new participants. So these guys were the runners-up for the lottery prizes, and since the other people were being incompatible, then these guys got chosen. As you can see, bro's getting possessed. As you can see, we have a couple guys from the army, and then this emo teen wearing a potato sack over his head. Well, anyway. Come on, guys, get to bed. Let's get you to bed first. Is this even the bedroom? I don't know. Good luck. Okay, let's see. You should go in the sauna room. Yes, we have a sauna room. Donald Trump gave it to us. You should go in the sauna room. I hope that's the sauna room. What the? Why is he just frozen? Whatever. Well, anyway, it's a very nice day. Here, you come with me. We're taking you somewhere special. There, you'll stay safe in there. Actually, no, I'm not that cruel. We're putting you in here. Wherever this is. What does this go to, actually? There's a hatch right there. Whatever, in you go. Ooh. The space station. Idea! Here, sir, come with me. Yeah, they don't know how to swim in gravity yet, and, you know, sound doesn't travel in space because there's no oxygen or there's no air. There's no atmosphere in space, so Sound doesn't travel, which is why I can't hear his numbers. All our knowledge, whatever. And he shoots, he scores. Anyway, I hope those two girls from earlier aren't still on here. I think Jeanette and Jeanette, or something like that. Or maybe Tina. And Tina, I don't know. Tina's like the name. Like the name Tina just has bad vibes to it. I don't know why. Tina. What if? I'm gonna stop making fun of names. Okay, I got some news. I found one of our soldiers all the way over here. I think he'll do nice and swell inside of here. With the other astronauts. Hey, you guys enjoy your beauty rest, your booty rest, or whatever. Oops. Oh, his butt's on fire. Yeah, I don't need the toilet anymore. Whatever. Yeah, I already... Ooh, what does this do? I don't know. Is this the toilet? Yes, I think this is the toilet. I don't know what all these red lights are, but it's gotta mean something. Okay, I'm gonna do some electrical maintenance because these are server boxes and I don't want them to blow up. No! Please, no. No. Please, no. Oh! Oh! Ah! Wait. No, I gotta get out of here. Is this closed? Okay. Oh, that's not good at all. That's not good. Oh! That's not good at all. That means that the I.S.S. is gone. The I.S.S. is done. I gotta get out of here. Dude, get out of here. I gotta save as much money as possible on this possible lawsuit. Stay with me. Don't you leave me. Wait, hang on, I need to go outside real quick. What's that noise? Ooh, perfect. Where's the escape shuttle? They're right over there. Okay, we gotta get out of here because if we lose those escape shuttles, then I'm cooked. I'm done. Sorry, I speak a foreign language that not many people over the age of 40 understand. Let's get you out of here. I don't know. Our spacesuits are the only thing keeping us alive right now. I'm in. You better get in with me. Okay, we really gotta get out of here now. I just opened the door to check and the fire's getting to us. Quick. Okay, I'm doing a checkup. I'm checking around the space shuttle and there was a large spitfire or smoke coming out of her. I don't know what to do. The whole shuttle's burning down. I think I'm gonna get back inside of the space shuttle. God, something just exploded. Oh! The telecommunications tower just exploded. No, that was our gas. Our gas supply just completely blew up. I need to get out of here. I'm getting the space shuttle out of here. Gravity's... I can't fight gravity much longer. We have to get the space shuttle out of here. So here, we'll have to get the rocket thrusters up and going. Alright. Goodbye, passenger. Dang it. Those were one-time use rockets. Ripped me off. Quick. We gotta save him. Goodbye. He's safe. He's going to a better place. Trust me. He's gone. What? Is that another satellite? This could be my chance for hope. I gotta get over there. My one chance for freedom. Off camera. Okay, I guess I'm just stranded here. Let's go back inside and see what remains of the ship. Wait, another shuttle survived. This is my chance. I just gotta get inside somehow. Here. This is my chance back in. Oh. The entire place got destroyed. Note to self, flush the toilet. That's a life lesson of this video, I guess. Ugh, I gotta cut this off somehow. I gotta disengage these rivets one by one. I have a feeling this is gonna take a while. Okay, I cut off the rocket. The fire tried spreading into the actual vessel. Time to dislodge it. And now for entry. Put me inside. No, I want to go. Yes, I'm in. Now I gotta close this door and hope that I get help. Nap time. What? What? No. Please, no. Please. Oh. Don't leave me here. Please. Don't do this to me. Yes, open. Open sesame. Open sesame. Open sesame. Open almond spice latte with 3 pumps of caramel. Okay, that works. My pumpkin spice latte is back on the menu. Yeah. I'm sorry. Well, now I gotta wait for help. Okay, I have good news. My shuttle reached another space station and I just exited through the door and up I go. Ooh, so this is the MIR space station, I believe. Dude, Look at these doors. It's just beautiful. Okay, where do I sleep? I don't think I get to sleep anywhere. Yeah, it's very hard to get around this place. Ooh, what does this door do? Open. What's in here? Gonna seal myself in here, have some private time. Ooh, a door to the outside world. How convenient. So this is the space station. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful. Sorry. Down and see if I can spot someone through the window. Hey, hi there. Let me in. It scared you. I scared you, didn't I? I so scared you. Well, space is very nice. Let's go fishing. Oh my god, I think there's an asteroid heading right for us. What the heck was that? That wasn't cool at all. I gotta do that. I mean, I hope another one doesn't come and attack us. Oh my god, a second asteroid. Everyone take cover. Oh. Oh my gosh. That one totally, like, destroyed the space station. Wow, split it clean at the center, too. Let's see, what chunks do we have left? The open space shuttle. The transport room, that room. Let's see, which room? I call dibs on the biggest room. What's even? Oh, Isn't that? Does this room have computers? Yes, now I can play Fortnite. You know, who needs shelter when you have a personal gaming computer in outer space? Time to game, boys. Dang it, I overloaded the system. Oof. Well, that's what happens when you install 60 kilobytes of data. I'm sorry, I just wanted to play Halo. Time to go in here. Let's see, what does this have? Ooh, yes, this was the right choice. I knew this was the right choice all along. I just didn't want to go in it. This is my favorite chunk. But I feel like I need a new place to stay. I mean, look, that chunk isn't on fire. That chunk's not on fire. But all the chunks are gracefully moving away from the main space station. Vehicle thrusters. I mean, rocket boosters. I can blow this piece back towards where I want it to be. I gotta send this chunk toward. I gotta get in this chunk and send it towards another space station. Dang it. We'll go home someday. Well, I can't wait to see that piece just start blowing. Yes. Dang it. Yes, we're finding help. Uh-oh. We're in a debris field. No. Dang it. Damage my darn solar, darn debris field damage my solar panel, bro. Well, anyway, we're going to the moon. Why am I? What is that? Stop falling. Frick. Well, it appears. What's that? No. Stop. No. Oh, I see how it is. Well, we lost a solar panel, so we can't harness as much power at once. The debris field took our solar panel, but I gotta get back inside. Off camera. Please don't leave me. No, you can't leave me. It blew up and flew away. No. Okay, time to find a new space station that can rescue me. Okay, I got rescued by a new spaceship. I mean, space station. I hope no one annoying is here. Oh god, no. It's Jeanette! Jeanette! Oh, please! Stop, no! No. This can't be happening. Please, no. Let's get you out of here. Goodbye! Now watch her helplessly float away. Just like my dreams. Well, I better get back to going inside of here. This space station is not safe. There are teenagers on board. Get off. No. You listen to me. Go with your sister. She's going to the moon. The other one's... Oh, she's twirling. Oh, nice twirl. She's twirling back down to Earth. And the other one's going towards the sun. Why do they have lights glowing around them? It probably shows that they're already dead and that they're ascending. Whatever. Well, if there's a hole in the spaceship, then you know what that means, kids. Nothing left. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm very glad to be back doing more Teardown videos. And if you want to see more Teardown videos, I will be doing more of these from now on since my Subnautica series failed and I'm extremely disappointed. For now.